5 seconds. She's over. She's gonna get out of it.
Here inside the guard.
Waterson's got her smashed up against the cage.
How about the former atomweight, Michelle Waterson?
Get out, man.
Felice Herrig here towards the end of round 2.
She's got out of this.
Put herself into a
Fucked
triangle
after this,
situation.
though.
Spotted it at the last second. Waterson got that right hand in there.
Yeah,
Doing it in some mad position, don't they? She didn't split then.
Again, almost in a triangle situation.
10 minutes down.
Open her up. You're a good sport.
Is brought to you by Body Armor. Switch to
She's got wobbly legs there right now.
More natural, more electrolytes, better sports drink. Grab yours at participating Speedway stores.
Sit down. Water. You good? Okay. 3 deep breaths. Control that breathing.
It's gonna go off in a minute. Feel it.
If she takes her down again, we're getting right after it. You hear me? But you can win with the boxing. You have to kiss.
Not that what jinx it.
Start landing hard shots. I'm telling you, your left hook hit. Your left hook landed. She's going to try to point you and move. Point you and move. If we clinch with her, she's got a good hip, good hips, good reversal, good low center of gravity. Right? It's a little difficult right now to get low on her. So.
And here we see
Well,
Waterson with
that
a nice elbow, and there's another one.
Oh, we've lost Nick.
Now here's the throw. Look at this. Beautifully done by Michelle Waterson.
Yeah, we've lost Nick.
All right, round 3 brought to you by P3, the official protein snack of UFC.
Clip it, man, clip it.
Felice Herrig. We'll see if she can
record some,
after a difficult round 2.
Oh, record this, man. Get it posted.
A lot of different things in the ear of Herrig after that round.
Oh, definitely record. Sounds like a little two-stroke.
Spent a lot of time up against the fence in this fight. Oh, there's that left hook.
It looks like Kern was able to get in the head.
Ass is going
pretty well because that was a different type of strikes that she just went for right there. That was everything she had. She knows she's down, I think. And Herrig's doing a good job trying to get this done. She's not out of this fight yet.
Waterson again with that sideways karate stance.
We'll have a few winks and then go to bed, won't we?
Oh, lines up on the back. Immediately tries to go to an armbar, though.
And it was really good timing on that takedown. Just didn't finish it quite perfectly.
Fucking hell, don't let her do that, you stupid bitch.